Today, I will cover the Watcher's Anonymized Documents feature in CaseGuard. The Anonymized Documents feature in the Watcher generates a random file name for all files added to the Watch folder. This feature also allows you to add a prefix to the file name for easier organization. Anonymization is useful for making all files anonymous. One example of a good use of anonymization would be anonymizing the resume file names of applicants to remove an unconscious bias you as a recruiter might have. With your Watcher named, folder locations chosen, and operation dropdown set to Redact Document, click the Add button. The Redact Document operation checklist will appear. Check the Anonymize Documents checkbox. I will enter the word resume in the prefix field so it will appear at the start of the file name for the anonymized documents. Check the Add Anonymized File Names to the top of each document checkbox for better organization. I will also check the AI text analysis to redact all personal identifiable information in the resumes and select names, phone number, address, and emails to do so. Now I will click Apply and then Save. The Watcher should now appear in your Watcher tab. As you can see here, we have 0 files in our Watch folder, so let's add some. If we open both the Watch and Output folders side by side, we can see the flow of the process. I'm going to add 3 files to the Watch folder. Now you can see the Watcher recognizes there are 3 files to process and begins processing them. Files added to the Watch folder are processed and exported to the Output folder. The original file is moved to the Processed folder. Now if we open the exported files in the Output folder, we can see the files were anonymized with their anonymized file names at the top of each document and personal information redacted. Opening the anonymization list under Tools, List Manager, and Anonymization List makes anonymized files easy to search and find. If we open the anonymization report in Print Reports within CaseGuard, you can see each anonymized document file name paired with the corresponding original file name side by side and print them out. Hope this helps!